Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we clean everything inside this group head, remove the piston gaskets, polish them all together, re-lubricate them, put them back. We also work with the side glass, replacing the side glass itself, the side glass gaskets, and the cover of the side glasses as well. And we also work on the steamer gauge over here, on the steamer one over here, replacing the gasket that is located in this steamer assembly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out. Now these machines need to be dialed in order to actually get the best shot. So hopefully I pick up the right grind setting so this machine, or otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now we'll leave it here for a bit, and then good extraction coming out of this machine. As you can see, that has really good crema, and that was a really good flow coming out from the portafilter itself. Great shot of espresso. Now we can test the steamer again. As you can see, nice steam coming out through the machine. Excellent pressure, working great. So there you have it, Pavoni professional working once again and ready to roll. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.